Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 6th of January 1975, fans of the British rock band Led Zeppelin rampaged through the Boston Garden Arena in Massachusetts, causing thousands of dollars of damage. Led Zeppelin were due to release their sixth studio album, Physical Graffiti, in February, and the announcement of the supporting tour generated incredible excitement amongst fans. Determined to get their hands on a ticket to the Boston show on the 4th of February, more than 2,000 fans began queuing along Causeway Street outside the Boston Garden Arena from 5 p.m. on the 6th of January in anticipation of the sale windows opening the next morning. Such lines outside the venue were not unusual, but as the temperature began to drop towards freezing, it became evident that the blue denim jeans and jean jackets worn by the waiting fans would not keep them warm. In response, ticket office manager Steven Rosenblatt decided to open the hall's lobby and to allow people to wait there instead. Author Stephen Davis, who wrote 2 books about Led Zeppelin's 1975 tour, reveals that the crowd began to grow increasingly boisterous as they passed around cheap alcohol to pass the time. Then, sometime around midnight during a security shift change, some of those waiting fans broke through the doors to the concert hall itself. They smashed into the beer concession stands and set fire to the wooden bleachers, the rampage only beginning to calm down when the venue decided to open the ticket windows hours ahead of schedule at 2:30 a.m. To disperse the remains of the crowd, riot police were called in, and by 6 a.m. the venue was an empty but smouldering mess. Boston Mayor Kevin H. White subsequently cancelled the concert outright and banned Led Zeppelin from performing in Boston for 5 years. The band ended up never playing in the city again, since they broke up after the death of drummer John Bonham in 1980.